Hi, it's Gary Martin Hayes. I'm at Aurora Theater at Lawrenceville Arts Center in downtown Lawrenceville, right on the square, waiting on English Nick because I have a special surprise for him.
Wait no longer.
Oh, there he is. Good to see you, my friend.
It's great to be back at the Aurora Theater at the Lawrenceville Arts Center.
Last time you and I were here, we had roles in Sister Act.
That's right.
Yeah, we weren't nuns. We
didn't make a habit of it.
No, a bad habit.
You were the Pope at one point.
I was
but
the
not
Pope,
the new Pope.
But not the new Pope.
No.
But we were patrons in a restaurant.
Yes.
Well, I've got a surprise for you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You and I are going to be in the new production of Waitress the musical.
I've seen the movie. I love this story.
Well, you and I are going to be in this, so I'm so excited.
Awesome.
Yes, and we're also going to give some of your listeners and some of the River listeners opportunities to come and see the show when you and I are in it, and there'll be a private reception where you and I can spend some time with them before the show.
Do we know what day that is?
May 21st.
All right, I'm looking forward to it. Waitress.
Sweet. So this is a theater that my law firm proudly supports because we love how active they are in the community. So it means a lot to us to certainly help out such a great organization that does so much for Gwinnett County.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's a really nice space, and when we were here for Sister Act, it was awesome.
Yeah, and they are, as you can see, still working on the diner. It is under construction, but in a week's time, it's going to be all ready for our debut on Wednesday, May 21st, 8 o'clock. Again, listen to your show. Listen to the entire day.
Yeah. Listen to the River for your chance to win tickets, and also the cocktail party we're going to be doing before the show.
It's going to be a blast. Thanks for tuning in, and look forward to seeing you guys here at Waitress at the Aurora Theater.
It's going to be awesome.
Boom.